So ito na nga mga kabasketball. After so many historic games against one another, Brownlee and RHJ are set to team up for the ESL campaign of the Meralco Bolts. Hindi naman kaila sa ating mga PBA fans that in the East Asia Super League, PBA teams struggle to compete against our neighboring competitions such as Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. Now with the addition of Justin Brownlee and RHJ to Meralco Bolts, can these two possibly bring Meralco to at least a top 4 finish? To answer that question, ating himayin, ano ang nagagawa ng isang RHJ at Justin Brownlee to a single field? Let us start with Justin Brownlee. Now si Justin Brownlee, in his recent FIBA Asia Cup stint, he averages 20.6 points, 5.2 rebounds, and 3.8 assists. Now kung pag-uusapan natin si Justin Brownlee as a player, he is a very good system player. Number one, he knows how to pass the ball well. Also, Justin Brownlee can also be a good recipient of kick-out passes because of his excellent three-point shooting. With that being said, Justin Brownlee can be an effective complementary player to RHJ because JB doesn't demand the ball to be effective. When we are talking about RHJ and his game, kapansin-pansin sa kanyang laro ay ang kanyang efficient mid-range game. He can shoot in the top of you at any point in the mid-range. Also, RHJ is very excellent when he is in a downhill momentum. Even an NBA player like Brandon Ingram find it difficult to stop RHJ in the downhill. With the guidance of a very experienced tactician in the person of Nenad Vucinic, fans are very excited to see kung ano nga ba talagang maipapakita ng Meralco Bolts this upcoming ESL 2025-2026 season.